Hey everybody, today I'm out working in my garage on my restoration of the 1979 Honda CBX. As you can see, I've got the gauges removed, and what I'm working on today is replacing the face plates on the gauges. Now, I got these apart and discovered that somebody's already had this apart. You can see how mangled the little flange is all around the edge of this. So it's been apart before. I also noticed as I was doing this, I hope you can see this in the camera, that when they did that, they mangled the edge of it also. So I decided to try to come up with a tool to prevent that from happening. Doesn't really do me any good this time, but for the next one it will. So what I did is I took a piece of hardwood, drilled a 4-inch hole in it with a hole saw, then took my router and routed out the rest of it. So what that's going to do for me is and it's a really tight fit. I got really lucky with the size of the hole saw. So if I can really force it down in there, that should protect the flange as I'm prying it apart. Now I'm sure you've seen other videos online how to do that. You have to basically take a screwdriver and just pry it like that. I've put a hose clamp on it like that just to protect the plastic when you're prying. And you have to work real slowly all the way around it. And it'll finally come loose. You can see the factory crimping right here. It's perfectly smooth. This, of course, is what somebody else did. There's no real cure to prevent that from getting all mangled up. It just happens when you take it apart. But hopefully this little tool I'm showing you will keep the edge of the tachometer from getting all bent up. Anyway, that's what I've got for you today. Me and my dog are here working on it. Thanks for watching.